Hello, boss. How are you?
Morning, officer. Finding you?
I'm good. I see you are speeding.
I was speeding.
Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah. And you don't have seat belt. Is what in it?
My seatbelt. Look, officer, I've got 3 licenses.
Yes.
I've got 3 licenses. The one is 08
Yes.
for driving.
Yes.
Then I've got an R100 license for not wearing seatbelt. And I've got an R200 for not wearing seatbelt. Can I show you my licenses?
Sorry, can you show me?
1 second.
It's okay.
So this one is my R08 license for
Yes.
driving.
Yes.
This one is my R100 for no seatbelt. And this one is my R200 license for speeding. So which license would you like, sir?
I think only these two. These two.
Only these two. All right. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you, officer.
Have a nice trip.
Have a good day. Thank
Sure,
you.
sure.
Bye.